Hi guys, welcome to my example presentation for the Young Kalam Championship. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hi, I am Yashvi from Ryan Great Noida. Your microwave doesn't cook with fire. There is no flame inside, but put your food in for 2 minutes and it comes out hot. So, what's happening inside? I use the microwave every day, but I never thought about how it works. One evening, I was heating milk and I noticed the milk was hot, but the cup was barely warm. How? That question is what started all of this. In 1945, a scientist named Percy Spencer was working in a lab in America near a machine called the magnetron. He had a chocolate bar in his pocket. After a few minutes, he reached into his pocket to take it out, and the chocolate had completely melted. No fire, no heat. So, what happened? He got curious. He decided to put popcorn kernels near the magnetron. They popped. He tried an egg. It exploded. One melted chocolate bar. One curious scientist. That's how the microwave oven was born. So, what's inside a microwave? The most important part is the magnetron. It creates invisible energy. You cannot see it. You cannot feel it. But when this energy enters your food, something amazing happens. Let me explain you. All food has water in it. You have studied molecules in class. The invisible energy from the magnetron hits the water molecules present in your food and makes them vibrate very fast, millions of times per second. And when they vibrate that fast, they rub against each other. That rubbing creates friction, and friction creates heat. That's how your food gets hot. Not from fire, just molecules vibrating inside your food. Now, remember my question. Why was the milk hot, but the cup was barely warm? Because this energy only affects water molecules. Milk has water, so it heats up. But the ceramic cup has almost no water, so the energy passes right through it. And there is one rule that everyone knows. Never put a metal in a microwave. Why? Metal does not absorb this energy. It bounces it around, creates sparks, and can damage the microwave or even start a fire. The first microwave built in 1947 was 6 feet tall and weighed 340 kilograms. It cost 25 lakh rupees in today's money. Today you can buy one for 5,000 rupees. Before a microwave, reheating food meant lighting a stove, heating oil, waiting 15 to 20 minutes. Today it takes 2 minutes. Microwave made hot food quick and easy for everyone. I chose the microwave because I use it every day, but I never thought about how it works. No fire, no flame, just invisible energy. The science was right there in my kitchen. So the next time you use your microwave, think about what's happening inside. Millions of water molecules vibrating and creating heat. The best science isn't in a lab. It's on your kitchen counter. Thank you. I hope you like my presentation. Before you start yours, one tip. Pick an invention with one main scientific concept. The microwave has just one. Water molecules vibrate fast and that's what heats the food. One idea, 4 minutes. Perfect. But what if you love an invention that has many scientific concepts like a satellite, gravity, orbits, radio waves, solar panels? You can't cover all of that in just 4 minutes. So tell your class. The satellite uses 5 different scientific concepts. And today I'm going to explain one. Pick the one that excites you the most and go deep into that. And here's a bonus. The molecules I talked about, we are studying them in class right now. So my classmates already knew what I meant. Pick something that connects to what you're learning. It makes everything click. Good luck with your presentation.